Hello, today let us talk about the importance of cooperation with coworkers through, as we are accustomed to, 15 lessons. Let us begin together, the first lesson.
When we come together as a team, we unlock potential beyond our wildest dreams. Each person brings unique strengths, ideas, and perspectives. It's like a puzzle. Every piece matters. When we collaborate, we inspire each other to push boundaries, overcome challenges, and innovate. Remember, great achievements aren't born from individual efforts. They thrive in the synergy of teamwork. So let's embrace our differences, support one another, and strive for greatness together. In teamwork, there are truly no limits to what we can achieve.
When we come together as colleagues, something incredible happens. Challenges that once seemed daunting transform into opportunities for growth. Each unique perspective adds a layer of creativity, sparking innovative solutions we might never have imagined alone. It's in those moments of collaboration that we discover our true potential. We learn from each other, support one another, and push boundaries. So, the next time a challenge arises, remember, it's not just a hurdle, it's a chance to create something amazing together. Let's embrace the power of teamwork and turn obstacles into stepping stones for success. Success isn't just about individual talent, it's about the power of collaboration. When teams come together, they blend unique perspectives and skills, sparking innovation in ways we can't achieve alone. Think about it. Every groundbreaking idea emerged from a group of minds working in harmony. It's in those brainstorming sessions, those moments of shared laughter and challenge, that true creativity flourishes. Embrace the diversity within your team. Listen, share, and build on each other's strengths. Remember, together we can turn dreams into reality because collaboration is the heartbeat of innovation. Every great achievement starts with a simple idea. Imagine a team where every voice matters, where collaboration transforms those small sparks of creativity into powerful innovations. When we share our thoughts, we build a foundation of trust and inspiration. It's in those brainstorming sessions, where every suggestion is valued, that we discover solutions we never thought possible. Let's embrace our diverse perspectives, challenge each other, and turn our collective energy into something extraordinary. Together, we can take those small ideas and turn them into big achievements that change the game.
When a team comes together, something incredible happens. Each person brings their unique strengths, and suddenly, we're not just individuals, we're a powerhouse. Think about it. Collaboration sparks creativity and support fuels resilience. When one of us stumbles, the rest lift them up, turning challenges into triumphs. It's in those moments of unity that we discover our true potential. Together, we can tackle obstacles that seem insurmountable alone. So let's embrace teamwork, because when we join forces, we don't just achieve goals, we redefine what's possible.
Cooperation is the heartbeat of any successful project. When we come together, we blend our unique strengths and perspectives, creating a powerful synergy. Think about it. No great achievement was ever accomplished in isolation. It's through collaboration that we solve problems, spark innovation, and push boundaries. Each voice matters, and every idea counts. Embracing teamwork fosters trust and builds a culture where creativity thrives. So, let's unite our efforts, share our visions, and watch how our combined passion transforms challenges into triumphs. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary.
Success in business isn't just about great ideas. It's about the people behind them. When teams collaborate harmoniously, magic happens. Think of companies like Google and Apple. They thrive because they foster an environment where every voice matters. Diverse perspectives spark innovation, and trust fuels creativity. When team members feel valued, they're more engaged and motivated. This synergy leads to groundbreaking solutions and unstoppable momentum. Remember, a united team can turn challenges into opportunities, driving success that's not just profitable, but also meaningful. Embrace collaboration and watch your vision come to life.
Cooperation is the secret sauce that transforms a group of individuals into a powerhouse team. When we come together, sharing our strengths and ideas, we ignite a spark that fuels our progress. Think about it. Every great achievement in history was built on collaboration. It's not just about working side by side. It's about lifting each other up, combining our unique talents, and pushing through challenges together. When we unite our efforts, we accelerate our journey toward our goals. So let's embrace cooperation, because together, we can achieve so much more, and we can do it faster. Great ideas don't just appear out of thin air. They blossom through cooperation. Think about it. Every groundbreaking invention, every revolutionary movement started when individuals came together, sharing their unique perspectives and skills. It's in those collaborative moments that creativity ignites. When we pool our strengths and support one another, we create a powerful synergy that transforms dreams into reality. So, let's embrace teamwork, celebrate our differences, and watch as our collective efforts turn great ideas into something extraordinary. Together, we can achieve what none of us could do alone.
Success isn't a solo journey, it's a team effort. Think about it, every great achievement in history was built on collaboration. When we come together, we combine our strengths, ideas, and perspectives. It's like a puzzle. Each piece is unique, but together, they create a masterpiece. Whether it's in sports, business, or community projects, cooperation fuels innovation and drives us forward. Remember, no one climbs the mountain alone. Embrace teamwork, support one another, and watch how far you can go. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary. Cooperation at work isn't just a nice-to-have. It's the secret sauce for success. When we come together, we blend our unique skills and perspectives, creating solutions that none of us could achieve alone. Think about it. Every great achievement in history was a team effort. It's about building trust, communicating openly, and celebrating each other's strengths. When we collaborate, we ignite creativity and innovation, pushing boundaries and achieving goals that once seemed impossible. So let's embrace teamwork, support one another, and watch how our collective efforts lead us to extraordinary heights. Together, we can turn dreams into reality.
When we come together as a team, something incredible happens. Each person's strengths amplify the others, turning challenges into stepping stones. It's like a puzzle. Every piece matters. When we collaborate, tasks that once felt daunting become manageable, and our goals shift from distant dreams to achievable milestones. We share ideas, support each other, and celebrate every small victory along the way. Together, we create a momentum that propels us forward, reminding us that united, we can conquer anything. Let's harness that power and make the impossible possible.
Cooperation is the secret sauce to achieving those big goals that feel impossible alone. Think about it. Every monumental achievement in history, be it landing on the moon or building the internet, was a team effort. When we collaborate, we combine our strengths, share diverse perspectives, and spark creativity. It's like a puzzle. Each piece is unique, but together, they create a complete picture. So, whether you're tackling a community project or launching a startup, remember that reaching out, sharing ideas, and working together can turn dreams into reality. Alone, we can go fast, but together, we can go far.
Success isn't a solo journey. It's a shared adventure. Every late night, every brainstorming session, every moment of doubt, those are the threads that weave our collective triumph. When we lift each other up, we create a force that's unstoppable. Each effort, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture. It's in the collaboration, the trust, and the shared victories that we find true fulfillment. Remember, when we work together, we don't just achieve goals. We build a legacy. Let's celebrate our teamwork, because together, we rise higher than we ever could alone. In the heart of every challenge lies an opportunity for greatness, and that greatness is fueled by the spirit of cooperation. When we come together as a team, we blend our strengths, share our ideas, and lift each other up. It's not just about individual talent. It's about collaboration, trust, and a shared vision. Each setback becomes a stepping stone, each obstacle a chance to innovate. Together, we can turn dreams into reality, proving that united, we are unstoppable. Let's embrace the power of teamwork and watch how we can conquer anything that stands in our way.
In the end, we hope that we have provided several useful lessons, and we hope that you will like them and subscribe to the channel.